Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask out of a t-shirt. It's really easy, and what you'll do is find the shirt that you'd like to use, and to figure out whether it's going to be a good fit for you, just take the sleeve of that shirt and you're going to flatten it out, and the seam side here you're going to put towards your face, and you're going to measure from cheekbone to cheekbone, and that's going to show you how far it's going to extend. And it will stretch once you've made this, but it gives you an idea before you even start cutting. And so let's get started. I used a shirt that I've had for a really long time. So use what you have. That's what it's all about. You'll want to match up the front and back seams. Cut as close to the seams as possible. And then you'll repeat on the other side. Then you'll put this sleeve aside until you're ready to make the mask. Now you'll take the bottom of the t-shirt and cut 4 strips. These strips will be used to make strings for the mask. Take the strips and twist the loop to make a smaller loop. Pull several times and this will create strings. You'll cut the strings and put aside. Now you'll take the sleeve, place seam side up, and you'll make a 1-inch fold and cut 7 small slits. And make sure you cut through both layers of the material. And then repeat on the other side. I used a Sharpie to mark the inside of the mask. It's helpful to me for a couple reasons. It helps with weaving the string through, also as a reminder to wear the inside towards my face and not the side that is exposed to the outside. I used a safety pin. You could use a bobby pin. I prefer the safety pin to feed this through. You're going to start from the bottom on the inside and work your way inside out all the way up. And remember to pull the strings to keep their stretch. Again, inside out on the other side. I also use the safety pin to open up the slits. It's going to end up on the outside. And this is helpful when fitting the mask. The outside string pulls the mask towards your face. Now what you'll do is take the strings and tie a knot, and tie that knot as close to the end as you can. Pull the strings and you've created your mask. I'm going to show you another way to make a mask from the body of this t-shirt. I use a sleeve mask as a size template. This will make 2 on the bottom and 2 more above. A total of 6 masks can be made from this shirt. My mask measured 7 inches high. Now all you need to do is measure and cut. You'll cut that in 2 and use one and save the other to make later. you'll make a 1-inch fold like the other mask. Then you cut the slits. And since this is a different shape, you'll cut 8 slits along the fold. To weave this string, you'll need to start from the outside in for the string to end up on the outside. Repeat on the other side. Tie the strings together. We'll pull the strings and here's your other mask. These masks are machine washable and dryable. Now before you wash them, go ahead and tie the strings together so they don't get caught up in the other laundry. I found that untying them before putting them in the dryer enabled them to dry much better. So they're all dry out of the dryer, and the curled edges are normal because that was from the cut edge. And it looks like the Sharpie hearts, they stayed intact. Now I'm going to show you how to add a filter to the mask. And I'm using a coffee filter. What I did is I went ahead and folded it and lined up the flat side with the top of the mask. Now since it's a little narrow, I had to fold the edges before sliding it between the pieces of material. And what I also found is that when you pull the strings of the mask, it really helps to keep the filter in place, for the most part. Now we'll go ahead and fit the filter in the other one, just the same. And this adds just another layer to the mask. These masks are so easy to make. So next I'll show you how to fit them and when you're all finished making them. Hi, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you put these masks on now that they're all washed and ready to be worn. And so I'm starting with the one that was made out of the sleeve. And I'm going to put this up to my face, take these strings and tie them above my head. I'm going to make a bow. And then I'm going to push this back a little bit so that it creates a little bit more of a seal above my nose and it doesn't fog up my glasses, which is really cool. I have the filter in here and it creates the form. You can pull it out however you want to be comfortable, and it's really soft material and really very comfortable. And you can untie it to take it off, or you can take this and put it around your ears, wear it this way, or pull it all the way down. And if, say, you get a phone call, you want to take this down so that you can talk to them, and it makes it really comfortable and so convenient to be able to wear it as well. And so now I want to show you the second one. Okay, so here is our second mask, and it's made out of the body of the t-shirt. And I'm going to pull those strings like I did the other one, and I'm going to put it on my face, pull it up like I did the other, and tie it in a bow on top of my head. And then push it back, and it seals. You can tell my filter's right there. And it fits snug up here, around here, doesn't fog my glasses, and I can do the same thing. I can push it down, wear it, and then bring it up as I need it. It's a little bit looser around me that way, but not that much. And you can take this, tie it, around your neck, not even on top of your head, if that works best for you. I have a little hard time doing that because I catch all the hairs back here. So the main thing is being able to wear it comfortably and to wear it so that you are protecting others, and I will wear mine to protect you, and you can wear yours to protect me. I really appreciate it. And so we hope you just stay really safe out there and just take good care. Thanks so much for watching.